Evaluate the integral from -8 to 1 of e dx. Now, this isn't e to the x, this is just e, which is a constant function. And we know a constant function is continuous everywhere. So we can absolutely use the fundamental theorem of calculus part 2 here. The antiderivative of e is just ex, because the antiderivative of a constant is the constant times the variable. We need to evaluate this at -8 and 1. So this is going to be e times 1 minus e times -8. That's going to be e and then plus, because we've got a negative times a negative, and e times 8 is 8e, and e plus 8e gives us 9e, which is our answer. And this matches how we could have done this before, because we had a rule that said when you're taking the integral of a constant like this, you can take that constant and multiply it by the difference of the limits of integration. And 1 minus -8 is the same as 1 plus 8, which is 9, and e times 9 is 9e. So we get the same answer using the fundamental theorem of calculus as we did when we used the property that said the integral of a constant is going to be that constant times the difference of the limits of integration. So this is a good thing. When we learn something new and we see that it's consistent with things we've already seen, that should give us confidence that these things are all correct and that we're building things together that fit together.